Alright, we're back with more Ghostbusters Slime City. I'm not Tiny Dancer. I am not Tiny Dancer. I wanted to switch to Kristen Melby, but it's not okay. Kristen Melby in Ghostbusters Slime City, Chapter 21. Yay, there we go. No. There we go. Let's see our reward for today. Ooh, I got a Slimer. A level up Slimer. Alright. Now, feed Slimer with a bunch of shit in 14 seconds. Let's do it. Alright. Eat them all, Slimer! Eat them all! Eat them all up! Eat them all up! Oh yeah! Yeah, you can do it! And your Patreon is Man, I'm good! Yay! Yay! Armor points! Attack points! I'm getting pretty good. What? I level up! 15! Yay! Proton pack parts! I got 5 gold! I got 3 skill points! Man, I love this episode right now. Ooh, get the upgrade stuff. Recovery, health. Yay! Woohoo! I am the best. There. And who is there? It is a rowan. Let's fight him. I play. Right. Let's fight Rowan again in Ghostbusters Slime City. Defeat the Destructor. And I always wanted to know why you always show up. Because you always have an idiotic things. I don't know. I want a rematch and that's final. Right, let's fight then. You look kind of ugly. Here we go. Ectoplasma. I don't hear that. Ow. Oh god. Screw your cars. You can just go buy new ones. Alright. It missed me. There we go. Ectoplasma. No. Yeah. There we go. I got safe. There we go. Nice. Ectoplasma. And I was at the movie theaters today. Oh yeah. And I watched Yuli Mimidal. It was a good movie. I'm digging it. It's a good movie. A Christmas movie. Yuli Mimidalen. I love that movie. The Grok is in this. Is in that movie, actually. Oh, look, I hit once. $6,000! Oh, piss. What should I buy? Get cards? I can't even get cards. Wait, I will see if I can upgrade my proton pack. Nope. Nope. Power. No. Wind. No. Control gear. No. Finish. No, don't have enough. It says Stay Puft Marshmallow Man Proton Pack. Yes, I need it. I need to get a Google Play card right now and buy this thing. I need this Proton Pack. I need this Proton Pack. What else can I get? Canada. Well, this looks dangerous. That's a classic thing. Pink slime. Ooh, we have a Slimer Proton Pack. America. What? Halloween. Hold on. Nope. Hey, Japanese. Oh. Oh, it's the Mayhem Proton Pack. Well, my target is the Stay Puft Proton Pack. It's fucking amazing. I need it. Looks like he showed up in the perfect time. Let's fight him. Let's fight. Oh, wait. Okay. Let's fight Stay Puft again in Ghostbusters Slime City. Defeat the Destructor. Yay. Super Mario Logan is awesome. Super Mario Logan is awesome.
I'm gonna kill you.
Oh, no, you're not. You're not gonna kill me, Stay Puft. But I'm your biggest, you're my biggest hero. I don't want to fight you. You're my biggest hero. And it looks like Stay Puft and Rowan wants to play again. Oh, stop stomping on the ground, for God's sake. And I love your marshmallows, even though I didn't taste them and they don't even exist anymore. Taking your ass. You burn very easily. Ah, stupid screamers! Yeah, take this. Oh god. For God's sake. Okay. Gotta. Bam! Ghostbusters Slime City! Woohoo! I'm going on vacation! I just cut it off. Okay. $20,000! Yay, I'm rich as fuck. Let's buy a building like this one. Oh. Like this one. There we go. Yay, EXP! Next generation time. Wait, I forgot to check these. Your theater manager. This one. I got one goalie. Damn it! Why won't you just die? Where's my Stay Puft team? Oh wait, I don't even have members. Why doesn't someone join my Stay Puft team? No, see ya.